Hello everyone, it's October 15th, 5 p.m. We are in Skopje. This is the capital of North Macedonia. And we are just in the city center. You can see people here walking, a lot of fountains. This is probably the Alexander III, known as Alexander Macedonian. Yeah, a lot of huge statues, old architecture. Like you see the castle on the background. It's dated like 7th century, I guess. This is Byzantine heritage. And okay, let's go. So today I'll show you a little bit of Istanbul. This is old. In Skopje it's called Old Town, but it literally looks like you are in Istanbul. Like lots of Turkish cafes and restaurants, some jamis there as well. You may see how huge the statues are. And this place is also famous for Mother Teresa. She lived here in this city. I will show you her house. She was born in 1912 and she helped people who are in need and poor people. So she received in 1979 the Nobel Prize for Peace. Yeah, like lots of people heard about Mother Teresa, but like I didn't expect that she lived here in North Macedonia. So here's the beginning of Old Town. This weird building is the Southeastern University. Yeah, looks very not like made of wood. Yup, typical Istanbul here. Okay, let's see some streets. And you can try typical Turkish dishes here, like tavuk shish, köfte, by Turkish linen, towels, lots of souvenirs, jewelries. Yeah, looks like even like Old Town in Kaleci, Antalya. Same vibe here. So here's the jewelries. Yep, so here it is. Let's get back to the city center because we have a lot of I have a lot of to show you there. If you haven't been in Istanbul or Turkey, so this is like the typical streets of most Turkish old town streets. So the currency here is dinar, so Macedonian dinar. Prices is very reasonable, so cheap coffee like one euro for cappuccino, and the coffee everywhere is very tasty. So also cheap add-ons like buns, cookies, so everything to your coffee. You may see there is a cross on the mountain. It's highlighted during the dark, so you see the black spot there where is the mountain, and the Christ is highlighted very well, so you may use it like an orienteer if you are like lost in the city. You see like how many statues are there on the buildings and on the fountains and monuments. I'll show you also the bridge that is literally has the statue on, so each meter there's a different style statue. Now we're heading to Macedonian Square with the Alexander Macedonian on the horse. You may see it in front. This looks like the fountain for the women who give birth to, like it symbolizes okay, we see the unfortunately we don't know what's the fountain, the name, but it's obvious. I hope YouTube haven't blocked me because of the nudity in this video on the monument. Some Christians here. This is Clement and Naum, archiepiscops. So basically all the architecture is the influence of the Greek Empire. You may notice it by these columns. Look at that bridge. And here are the bridge with statues. They are all different So actually I googled and just wanted to know which famous people have lived here, but the only famous person is only Mother Teresa. This is the only well-famous person who lived here. Others are local musicians or famous on Balkans countries. So no one else who may know you of. Lots of bridges that cross the river. This is probably the hotel and restaurant. I mean this ship over there. Some of the figures are warriors. Some connected with church and science, I guess. But in ancient time, like all the scientists were actually they taught in churches. So scientists, they were episcopes and so on. So teachers at schools, church schools. So here are the lake front, river front, with a long road for bicycles. People also walk there. So as I told you, like there are lots of different statues. And this is not also the city center, so from actually there, here and there, like lots of different other monuments also made of, so also the statues. And all these people are different people, so it's not just like one Alexander III. These are the people from different time from the history of North Macedonia. And funny fact that actually this country is called previously just Macedonia, and the Bulgaria said that we actually had the region of Bulgaria called Macedonia. So if you want to join the European Union, you have to rename your country, and they just rename. So the Macedonians renamed their country to North Macedonia. So just to be able to enter the process of the European integration. Because Bulgaria, if they haven't done this, so Bulgarian could block their integration, because when the country wants to enter the EU, so every member should confirm it. Here is the beautiful building of Marriott. Actually, there are lots of casinos and betting. I don't know how to call betting casinos, where people could play and waste and lose their money. So if you see somewhere on the streets lots of casinos in the country, it means that this country could be poor. Because rich countries, except the Monte Carlo, where people just they play for fun and not to win the money. But in poor countries, people hope to win and spend all their money just for that. So we are heading to the last point. It's Mother Teresa house. Now it's working as a museum. So during the working hours you may enter this house. And near this house, now you may see it, the city government building the huge church, and the architecture is really amazing. So you may see it soon. Just have to go a little bit closer. Taking in account that now it's like the middle of October, I'm wearing the t-shirt and I'm just okay with it. So quite warm, where in Europe people are wearing even winter coats. So here we go. Here is the Mother Teresa house. You can see her picture over there. And here is the church. It's being built now, so it's not finished. We cannot go closer. This is the back of the Mother Teresa house. Actually looks quite nice. Well, let's see what is inside the yard. Here's the souvenir shop. And the working hours. Looks cool. So thank you for watching. Please hit subscribe and write a comment. YouTube likes it when there is an activity on the channel. Hope you had much fun. Come to Skopje and see it in your own eyes. Bye bye.